Good morning class. My name is Sir Tariq Naeem. In the last class, we had discussed the topic complement of a set. I hope you will understand properly. So with the help of a complement of a set, today we will discuss the next topic, the Morgan's law. So there are two statements of this law. We can proceed as number 1 bracket A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. In this statement there are two sides. This one is a left hand side and this one is a right hand side. When we will prove it, first we will solve its left hand side and then its right hand side. After the complete solution of the left hand side and the right hand side, answers of the both sides should be equal. Similarly, we can prove its second statement, that is bracket A intersection B bracket close whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now I will explain the statement by the following example. In this example, first we will solve its first statement of De Morgan's law, that is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. To verify this statement, we need three sets: set U, set A and set B. So these three sets has given in the question. Now we will solve its first statement, that is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First we will solve its left hand side with two steps. In the first step we will find the union of A and B. So A union B is equal to the member of the set A, then union sign, then member of the set B. So the union of A and B is equal to with members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and 10. So this is the step number 1. In the next step we will find the complement of A union B. So the next step is A union B whole complement is equal to U minus bracket A union B bracket close. Class, this is the formula to find the A union B whole complement. Because we are finding here A union B whole complement, that's why we will subtract A union B from the universal set. So A union B whole complement is equal to member of the universal set minus sign, then member of the set A union B. So the result of A union B whole complement is equal to 6 and 8. Class, this is the final answer of the left hand side, that is 6 and 8. So the final answer of the left hand side I am representing by the equation number 1. Now we will solve its right hand side, that is A complement intersection B complement with three steps. In step 1 we will find A complement. So A complement is equal to U minus A. This is the formula to find A complement. A complement is equal to member of the universal set minus sign, then member of the set A. So A complement is equal to 2, 5, 6, 8 and 10. This is the step number 1. In step 2 we will find B complement is equal to U minus B. This is the formula to find B complement. So B complement is equal to member of the universal set minus sign member of the set B. So B complement is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So this is the step number 2. In the step 3 we will find the intersection of A complement and B complement. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to member of the A complement set intersection sign, then member of the B complement set. So A complement intersection B complement is equal to 6 and 8. Class. So this is the complete solution of the right hand side that I am representing by equation number 2. Students, if you compare equation number 1 and equation number 2, both the equations are equal to 6 and 8. It means that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Students, similarly you can prove its second statement, that is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So this is the activity number 1 and this is the activity number 2. Students, please complete these activities in your maths notebook. Okay class, and thank you.